everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download PUBG Mobile on BlueStacks on your PC. So if you want to get the BlueStacks apps player, what you need to do is open up our YouTube channel where we have a tutorial on how to download it. But before that, there are some settings you need to play PUBG to its best efficiency. So open up your BlueStacks app player, press on the three dots and go to settings. From there, what you want to do is make sure on your performance it's set to high, and high performance. The numbers will be different depending on what amount of cores and gigabytes you have. Alongside that, make sure enable high frame rate is enabled. This is also enabled, and put this to your monitor's refresh rate. From there, you can save it and restart your PC. Restart the app. From there, open up your Google Play Store, and we are going to be writing PUBG Mobile. From there, as you can see, this is PUBG. We're going to download it, and it is 712 megabytes, so it will take some time. So I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's at 98% now. It is about to be completed. PUBG Mobile, 712 megabytes, Peggy 12, 500 plus downloads, and as you can see, it is complete now. It should let us play any second. Okay, so mine's taking a quite long time. I think there's a problem. But for you, once it downloads, you simply press on play and you are able to play. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.